Good morning, everybody. It's day 4 on our trek from Toronto, first to Texas and then on to Mexico. We're daily vlogging at this point, so we thought, why stop there? Let's keep on going. I am the morning shift. I'm letting Eamon just rest. He wasn't feeling the best yesterday. Kept complaining about nausea, and sometimes I don't know. He's like the little boy that cries wolf. So is he really sick? I'm not sure. But it's best just to let him mentally sleep so he thinks he's getting better. My biggest problem in the mornings is I can't see. I don't know if you guys know this. I wear contacts a lot, not because I don't like my glasses, but because I find contacts way more comfortable. But on a morning like this, I'm kind of looking like, oh, I'd rather just wear my glasses, and I can't find them anywhere. Problem with that is when you can't see, how do you find something? The mission to find my glasses was not successful, so I'm gonna put in my contacts for anyone who wants to see that. Oh, do not put contacts in after applying peppermint halo. Oh. Ooh, that hurts. Yeah, I've been wearing contacts since I was in grade 6 or 7, because I grew up competitive dancing and I couldn't really wear glasses to train and to be on stage and stuff. So now it's just kind of like no big deal. And I need them for distance. So definitely can't drive without them. It's pretty funny, one time Eamon put a contact in his eye, one of mine. It took him like an hour, and then once he got it in, he started screaming because he didn't want it in. So I wouldn't recommend that either. Change of plans, look who's awake. Good morning, bunny.
Good morning.
We're gonna go for a little pee at Macca's. And then we're gonna make breakfast and everything and start the day properly together. Should I start the hot water for the tea while we're in there, or that's dangerous? We gotta go pee, we're gonna have a tea, and it's a little bit of E and B. Like Eamon and Beck time. Oh boy. This is how Eamon gets ready in the morning. Shakes his hair.
Okay, shower. Okay. My only concern is that I didn't go to the washroom yet. And as soon as I have a sip of this.
I told you to go. Why are you drinking from mine?
Pretty sure you just passed me up.
Hold so that I can navigate us. Jeez, you're not on fire this morning.
What's up, vlog? We made it. We switched halfway because I had finished most of the edits, and then Becca back there had a look and tried to cut it down a bit. I don't know what's going on, but these vlogs are long. This one's
chatting.
Yeah, I guess when you're just really like sitting there talking a lot,
Ask everyone if they like
it builds up. So please let us know if you guys are digging the long vlogs. If you're not, we'll cut them back and make them a little bit more entertaining. But before this, we got a lot of feedback saying we want longer, we want more conversations, all that kind of stuff. So we giving you what you want, man, or what we think you want. So let us know. Wi-Fi situation here was very, very weak, so we're gonna check out another spot. That is a huge menu.
Dude, I'm so excited to have diner food in America that's vegan.
But so unfortunately they don't have Wi-Fi here, but we're super stoked because the menu's huge. And so we are biting the bullet and we're sitting down for a meal. And we're getting there.
There's Trinity's boyfriend.
Probably shouldn't show Christian's parents' house, but we're walking up to their place. There's Morrison over here.
I think they can see us.
How do you know? Hey!
What is up, guys?
What up, what up, what up, what up? Guys, we're having some serious technical issues here at the Matinee residence. Yes, I did freshly freshen up. I'm feeling fresh. Took a quick shower. Holy smokes, that felt good. Becca's gonna be a real trooper here and just probably hit another round of that dry deodorant that you saw. Here's what we're dealing with though. Wi-Fi is crap, so we wanted to go hardwire into the computer, but we have this adapter, and he's got another adapter for the adapter, but this still doesn't work, so now we've changed the hard drive and put the footage onto this computer, and now we're trying to hardwire this computer and upload on this one to see if it's any faster. Jesus. Is it working?
Well, we're about to see. Catch it live.
Oh my god.
Yeah.
Alright, Brohim.
Alright, let's rock and roll, baby.
Update the vlog here.
Yeah, let's do it.
What's the deal? Where are we going? What's the plan?
We're headed to Mohawks for a show, man.
Yeah, dude.
Yeah, not wrestling at all.
Mohawk for a show, dude.
Yeah, that's about right too. Yeah.
Put your ID on it again.
It's so funny because
Yeah,
in
seriously.
Canada we're so old.
Don't forget to blur out your IDs, kids.
Or your friend's phone number.
Yeah. So apparently I did leave Christian's phone number on the vlog one time.
Did.
And a bunch of you called him. So if I do that again, stop calling him.
We just uploaded their video. Swipe up to see it. Swipe up for the love of God. Swipe up.
This chicken's insane.
All the way to Grandma's house, I stayed on the narrow path.
Well, we just went to a concert. That's pretty obvious at this point. And now we're going to an iconic person in Austin.
No, not person.
Iconic restaurant. Help me, help me.
Okay.
Iconic diner, Kirby Lane Cafe.
Oh no, I was talking about the concert still.
Oh,
Anyway.
person.
Oh, I'm hungry. Let's go.
What
eat,
are you guys talking about? Those look amazing. Wow.
Just finishing up here at the diner, and we are pooped. As you've seen, we've been doing lots and lots of driving. Oh, we gotta say bye. Hold on a sec here.
Give him a hug back there.
Nah.
Oh, dad, baby. He just dabbed on the haters.
He's just trying to make the cut.
He's trying to make the cut.
So the crew is rolling out. You guys, I kind of wanted to chat with everyone about our plan. So because this might be the end of like our little daily vlog spiel.
Oh, it's true.
Right?
You gotta watch our video tomorrow.
Actually, I've had a few people because we sort of touched on it in this last one,
yeah.
and people were saying, "No, we'd love to see both of your perspectives from the same day." I'm like,
Too much, guys.
That's insane.
Guys, we wouldn't survive that. Like, we would both die in a week, I think.
Yeah.
Honestly.
So, anyways, guys, the crew's back
The
together.
crew's back
Thumbnail. So I think do you want to sign it off?
Let's sign it off.
Should we all sign it off
Let's sign
together?
it off.
Okay, guys. So everyone gets a sentence. Ready? Starting with Aubry.
Hi, I love you. Subscribe to my channel.
together. Thanks for watching the vidster, guys.
Stay tuned for a lot more exciting content.
Uh-oh.
If you
Coming your
did
way.
enjoy the video, smash a thumbs up and subscribe
Smash
to the
that
Minimum
motherfucking like button, dude.
Bye. Aubrey, what's the fork for? To roll down your window. She just had to pass him a fork.